The output, see that output. Demo of multiple catches. Cut n null values. End of try catch. Cut a positive values. End of try catch. Cut a negative values. End of try catch. Cut a positive values. End of catch statement. Catch statement. You can that go to that try block. What is the original program? What are that one? Okay, see this one. The program is very small letters. Hash include iostream.h using namespace std void number in bracket int k bracket close. You can curly braces started our program to be started. Try curly braces started. If k in bracket k e double equal to 0, throw k ended with semicolon. Else if k bracket start k greater than 0 bracket close, throw in double quotation p ended with semicolon. Else if k0 see out less than double quotation star end of try block star less than n within double quotation ended with a semicolon, curly braces close. Catch charge character g curly braces started. See out less than within double quotation caught a positive value ended with colon backslash n double quotation closed ended with a semicolon, curly braces closed. Catch of, that means that a catch function within a bracket int j in bracket catch bracket start int j bracket close, curly braces started. See out less than within a double quotation caught n null value colon backslash n within a double quotation ended with a semicolon, curly braces closed. Catch curly braces catch double quotation the bracket double f brackets closed, curly braces start. See out less than within a double quotation caught a negative value less than the colon less than n double quotation close ended with semicolon, curly braces close. See out less than double quotation star end of try catch star backslash n another backslash n within double quotation ended with a semicolon and the curly braces closed. Here you start the main function int main function, curly braces start. See out less than double quotation demo of multiple catches double quotation close less than n l within a double with a semicolon ended with semicolon, number in bracket 0 ended with semicolon, number 5 ended with bracket close ended with a semicolon, number in bracket -1 bracket close ended with semicolon, return 0 catch return 0 ended with semicolon, catch block that means that a program with the curly braces closed. These are simple program. Then go to that what is the output we are executing. Already you see that output cut a null value end of try catch. This is the program to be executed. This is the program to be executed. program to be executed. Then go to the catch multiple exceptions. What are the catch multiple exceptions? In some situations, you may not able to anticipate all possible types of exceptions, and therefore may not be able to design independent catch handlers to catch them. In such circumstance, you can create a catch statement to catch all exceptions instead of a certain type alone. In some situations, you may not able to anticipate all possible types of exceptions, and therefore may not be able to design independent catch handlers to catch them. In such a circumstance, you can create a catch statement to catch all exceptions instead of certain type alone. Syntax of catch multiples: catch in bracket dot bracket close curly braces within comment statements for handling comment close all exceptions curly braces close. This is the syntax of catch multiple exception. 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 You can go to that catch multiple exception. You can go to that another program. Catch multiple exception. Hash include. You can go to the another program. Write a C+ program. Catch multiple exceptions. Hash include iostream.h using namespace std ended with semicolon. Void number num in bracket int k bracket closed curly braces started. Try another curly braces started. If k double equal to 0, throw k ended with semicolon. If k equal greater than 0 bracket close, throw within double quotation capital P ended with semicolon. Else if k greater than equal to 0, throw 1.0 curly braces close. Catch number of, that is the 1 2 the etc. in curly braces started. See out catch an exception double quotation closed less than NL ended with semicolon. Catch base the curly braces closed. Int main function started. Curly braces started. See out within a double quotation demo of multiple catches closed. And L number within a bracket 0 ended with semicolon. Number 5 in a bracket 5 ended with semicolon. Number -1 in bracket -1 ended with semicolon. Return 0 ended with semicolon. Curly braces closed. These are example program of multiple catches. Then you can go to specifying exceptions. It is possible to restrict a function to throw only certain specified exceptions. It is possible to restrict a function to throw only certain specified exceptions. This is achieved by adding a throw list clause to the function definition. The general form of using an exception specification is written type function underscore name within a bracket parameter list bracket close throw in bracket data type list bracket close. The general form of using an exception specification is written type function underscore name parameter list bracket close throw bracket start data type list bracket close curly braces started within comment function body curly braces closed. The data type list indicates the type of exception that is permitted to be thrown. If we want to deny a function from a throwing any exception, declaring the data type list wide as per the following statement can do this. Throw function ended with semicolon comment void or vacant list specifying exception. It is possible to restrict a function to throw only certain specified exceptions. This is achieved by adding throw list clause to the function definition. The general form of using an exception specification is return type function underscore name in bracket parameter list throw data type list curly braces started in comment function body curly braces closed. The data type list indicates the type of exception that is permitted to be thrown. If we want to deny a function from throwing an exception, declaring the data type list wide as per the following statement can do this. Throw function ended with semicolon comment void or vacant list then go to the next one. That is the example. Write a C++ program to restrict a function to throw only specified type of exception. Here we can discuss another example program. Write a C++ program. It restricts function to throw only specified type of exception. Hash include iostream.h void check in bracket int k bracket close throw int I bracket close curly braces started if k double equal to 1 bracket close throw within single quotation small k ended with semicolon. Yes, if k bracket double equal to 2 bracket close throw k ended with semicolon. Yes, another else statement. If k bracket close bracket started double equal to 2 bracket close throw 1.0 curly braces close into main function curly braces started try curly braces another curly braces started check in bracket 1 bracket closed ended with semicolon check -2 bracket closed ended with semicolon check in bracket 3 ended with semicolon curly braces closed catch within a bracket character G character G another curly braces started cout within double quotation cut character exception ended backslash n within a double quotation all statement ended with semicolon. Curly braces closed, catch in bracket int I bracket close. Another curly braces started, cout within a double quotation, caught a character exception \n ended with a double quotation, the closed in double quotation ended with a semicolon. Curly braces close. Another catch within a bracket double s bracket close. Another curly brace started, cout within a double quotation, catch a double exception \n within double quotation ended with semicolon. Curly brace bracket closed. Cout \n end of main function within a double quotation close ended with semicolon. Return 0. The curly braces close. These functions you are executing one after another one. If k double equal to 1, throw that is a k. Else if k equal to 2, double equal to 2, throw k. If k double equal to 2, throw 1.0. Here what that one you have, in case of that program to be executed, what the one is correct, then there is no goes to the if 2, if k equal to 2, if 1 equal to not 0, no they not equal. If k equal to 2, the program to be executed, the program to be executed in this manner, in this manner in this manner. Then go to the another program, another step. Okay, what is the data structures? Then go to the data structures. Data structure. What is the data structure? A data structure is a logical representation of data and operation that can performed on the data. What is the data structure? A data structure is a logical representation of a data and operation that can be performed on the data. A data structure is a logical representation of data and operation that can performed on the data. There are two type of data structures, linear data structure and non-linear data structures. There are two type of data structures. What is the first one? That is the linear data structure. Second one is the non-linear data structure. What is the linear data structure? Linear data structure is an order of data elements. What is the linear data structure? Linear data structure is an order of data elements. They are array, stacks, queues, linked list, etc. These are some data structures. Data structure is a logical representation of data and operation that can performed on the data. There are two type of data structures, linear data structures, non-linear data structures. Linear data structure is an order of data elements. There are array, stacks, queues, linked list, etc. What is the linear linked list? What is the linked list? Linked list is a linear data structure. Linked list is a linear data structure. Linear data structure. Linked list is a linear data structure. It contains a nodes. Each node contains two parts. That is the data parts, and the second one is the link part. Each node contains two parts. First one is the data part, second one is the link part. The data contains elements of data. The data contains elements of data. Link contains address of another node. What is the data contains elements of data? We have two parts. First one is the data part, second one is the link part. The data contains elements of data. First one you have the elements of data. The second link contains address of another node. Linked list is a collection of elements called nodes. Linked list. Linked list is a collection of elements called nodes. Linked list is a elements called nodes. Each node contains two parts. They are data parts and linked parts. Already you can see in the second point. Each node contains two parts. They are data parts and link parts. You can see the small diagram, that is a node. Node you have your first one is the left side is the data, right side is the next. We have two parts. First one is the data, second one is the next. After next we have a connect to another one, another right point. What is the node? Is you see the second one node in first left side box you have a data, say right side box you have a link in second diagram. Then go to that third diagram. Data you have for the node number is the 200. In case of node number is the 200, then is the water data is the 14, that is the link is a 100. The 100 is the address of another next node, and address of next node, that is the 30. 30 is the data. 400 is the next connection. The 400 node is to 40. What is the 400 node? That you have a 2, that number is the 42, and n belongs to the right side, n belongs to the next. This is the structure defines for a single linked list. For example, you have a single linked list. This structure define for a single linked list. Struct node within a bracket, that is a curly brace start into data, struct node star next curly braces close. Linked list is a linear data structure. It contains a nodes. Each node contains two parts, that is a data parts and linked list part. These are simple linked list part. Simple linked list part, that is the linked list part. Then you have go to the next one. Then go to the next one. What are the above figure shows the examples of marks obtained by different students can be stored in a linked list. Hereby n stands for null. Null indicates of the end of the node. Here is simple end diagram you are given, that is the n means that is a no student, no connection to the next one. No connection to the next one. No connection to the. What is the data structure? Data structure we have a for examples that are different data structures. The data structures. STRUCTERS data structures. Data structures. We have a different definitions. We have a data structures, and that one you can see number of definitions from the data structures. Data structures, you have a number of definitions. You can write a data structure is a particular way of organizing data in a computer so that it can be used effectively. For example, you can store a list of items having the same data type using the array of structures. For example, you have a consider that one in case of a long memory location. You can what is the addresses 200, 201, 202, 203, 204, 205. Yes, you have different memory addresses, and that one you can give the data different ways. In that one you have a linked list. In case of linked list, what is the linked list data structures? You have linked list is a linear data structure in which the element are not stored at a contiguous memory location. The element is linked list and are linked using pointers as show the in a previous diagram. What that you have a data and elements. In simple words, a linked list of nodes where each node contains a data field and a reference to the next node, that is the in this one. In linked list we have a different types. You have a single linked list, circular linked list, and double linked list. You have different linked list. In this, in that one you have a different links. Single linked list, circular linked list, and a double linked list. You can single linked list, double linked list, and a circular linked list. If you have a different circular linked list, single list, that is a linked list. Single, double, and basic linked list operation. You have discussed about a basic linked list operations. Basic linked list operations. Basic linked list operations. Then you have a okay. What is the basic linked list operations? The basic operations on the linked list, they are including creation, insertion, deletion, traversing, searching, concatenation, display. These are some operations on that one. What are the in basic any linked list? You have three types of linked list, that is a single, double, and circular list. And that one, what are the operations generally you have perform? Creation, how to the linked list to be created, what the insertion parts, what is the deletion, traversing, searching, concatenation, displaying. The head pointer is used to create and access unnamed nodes. The head pointers is used to create and access unnamed nodes. Following code: struct linked list. The curly braces started into number no struct linked underscore list star, next ended with semicolon, curly braces closed, ended with a semicolon. Type def struct linked underscore list node, ended with semicolon. Node star head, ended with a semicolon. Head star in bracket node star malloc in bracket size of in bracket node, first bracket closed and second bracket also closed. These are basic linked list operations. Basic linked list operations. We have a basic linked list operations. Basic linked list operations. And that one here, linked list introduction. Linear like arrays. Linked list is a linear data structure. Unlike linked list, is elements are not stored in contiguous memory locations. Contiguous memory location. What is the linked list? An array can be stored linear data or similar types, but arrays have the following limitation: the size of the array is fixed, so you must know the upper limit or the number of the elements in advance. Also, generally the allocating memory is equal to the upper limit irrespective of the usage. Inserting, that is the size. Inserting a new element in an array of elements is expensive because the room has to be created for a new elements, and create a room existing elements have to be shifted. Have to be shifted. What is the these are drawbacks? In this one you have some functionality. Okay, creating a linked list. How to creating that linked list? How to creating the linked list? Then go to the next slide. How to creating the linked list. Then creating a linked list. The above statement obtains a memory to store a node and assign its address to head, which is a pointer variable. See guys, how to creating a linked list. When you have your different creation, insert and deletion, okay, the different operations. On that one you discussed about creating a linked list. The above statement obtain a memory to store a node and assign its address to head, which is a pointer to be variable. First it is the two boxes we have a four similar. One is the head, that is the left side box, and the right side. Similarly, one what connection is there, that is the node in topmost node, in bottom is the number and the next. These are the store. The above statement obtain a memory to store a node and assign its address to head, which is a pointer variable. That is the two boxes, that is the head box, and the second one is the node box. In a head it can be divided to two. Okay, what is the node? In a node also we have two. First one is the node in left side, that number, right side is the next. The store values in the member fields. Use the following statements to store the values in the member fields. Use the following statement: head arrow number equal to 10, head arrow next is equal to null, ended with a semicolon. The second node can be added as follows. When the second node to be added, when the second node added, if there is no particular value on that one, head arrow next is equal to, in bracket, node star malloc size of node. That is if head arrow next to number equal to 20, head next to arrow next equal to then you have number to be added. If there is no element on the next node, then the next null. If the number is connected to a particular way, then the number to be connected, otherwise the number not connected. The next to be not. If case last element to be null, there is no connection on that one. See, the store values in the member fields. Use the following statement: head arrow number equal to 10, head next equal to null. If a null is there, there is no connection on that one. This second node can be added as follows: head next node star, that is a particular element, that pointer means that is the address, malloc size of node within with these two are in bracket close, head next arrow number equal to 10, 20, head next arrow next equal to null. This way the number to be connected. Inserting an elements, that inserting inserting that elements, that is the creation of allows. What is the creating? Once again, see what is the operation we are creating, and that is that elements to be inserting elements in new elements. Inserting a new element if an array of element expands, because the room has to be created for the new elements, and to create a room exiting element you have to be shifted. For example, in a system, if you maintain a store list of IDs in an array of ID, in case of that numbers is the size of array is already you can define it, then you have some possibles. And if you want to insert any new ID, that then maintain store the elements to be the elements you have creation of linked list, these are some linked list. Okay, these are some size of arrows. Then go to the then go to the inserting, then go to the next inserting element. Insertion, what is the insertion element? That is, then you have a insert element, then you have insert element, inserting element, that is the inserting element. Insertion at the beginning of a list. Suppose we already have a 5 nodes in the list and wish to insert a new in the beginning of the list. Insertion at the beginning of the list. Suppose we already have 5 nodes in the list and wish to insert a new in the beginning of the list. Temp, that is the left side box is the 90, the node is the connection to another node, that is the P, that is the data is the 14, the data is the 14, the data connection to be 30. and another connection to the 99, another connection to the 15. These are 90, 14, 30 and 99, 15. These are data. Okay, data elements. A function to insert a new node at the beginning of the linked list, that is a list. Void add underscore beginning struct node star q comma int number. The bracket is the curly brace started struct node star temp. What is the function you are going here? Comment add a new node. You are adding a new node is equal to temp node star temp equal to malloc size of struct node. If data temporary data equal to data temporary arrow to data equal to number, temp next is equal to star q dot tape, where star q is equal to temp. These are some node to be connection to the insertion values. So that is the connection to the insertion values. How to this one? You have a one, see that what that insertion, you have key points, you have a insertion, the size of arrays. The size of array is fixed, so you must know the upper limits and the number of elements in advance also. Okay, also generally the allocated memory is equal to memory allocate is equal to the upper limit irrespective of the usage. Inserting a new element in an array of elements is expansive because the room has to be created for the new element, and to create a room existing elements have to be shifted. For example, you can create what is numbers, that is different numbers, that is 90, 44, okay, 99, these are some numbers. For example, consider another number, that is 100, 101, 105, 220, 240. You have different numbers. We have numbers. In case of some advantages of our arrays, dynamic search and array, easy of insertion and deletion. You have some drawbacks. What are the drawbacks? Random access is not allowed. Here random access is not allowed. We have to access element sequentially starting from the first node. Here there is no chance to one node after different location nodes. Here random is not accepted. Here linked list we have to access the elements sequentially starting from the first node. So we cannot do binary search with a linked list efficiently with its difficult implementation. Okay, here you can't do binary linked list. That is you cannot do binary search with a linked list efficiently with its default implementation. Okay, it is not possible to random access. Extra memory space for a pointer is required with each element of the list. Here another disadvantage is the extra memory space for a pointer is required with each element of the list. Here these are another the drawback we have. Next you can go to the another point, that is the not cache friendly, since the elements are contiguous location. There is a locality of reference which is not there in the case of linked list. That is the linked list. What that one? No, not cache friendly. Here there is no chance to friendly cache, since array elements are contiguous locations. There is a locality of references which is not there in a case of linked list. Here representation, it is also very difficult to representation of arrays. We have very difficult to representation of arrays. Okay, a linked list is represented by pointer to the first node of the linked list. The first node is called the head. Here what is the head? A linked list is a representation by pointer to the first node of the linked list. The first node is called as the head. If the linked list is empty, then the value of the head is null. If the node is null, the first node is called the head. If the linked list is empty, then the value of the head is null. Okay, each node in the list contains at least two parts. Each node, already we can discuss the point. Each node of that one is a 2 points. So that is a for 2 parts. What is the data or next node data value? So that is the first one. It is the 2 parts. First part is already data or the pointer or reference to the next second one. In case of you represent node using structure. Okay, above the example list node with a integer data. These are some advantages and drawbacks of linked list. These are some advantages and drawbacks of linked list.